it's Asif and Rachel here. Asif, I don't know if you know this, but I'm from the middle of nowhere.
I do know that,
I'm not familiar with Toronto, so where are we right now?
We're at Sherbourne Common in the vibrant and growing Toronto waterfront. It's actually my neighborhood, so welcome.
Beautiful.
It is very nice, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's get down to business.
Yeah, we had a very exciting morning.
We did?
The Champions League finally announced the draw, so who are we up against?
The group draw was announced. There's a little bit of a wait, but it finally came through. However, it's not a very good one for Toronto. It's a tough group that we're in. Group 1 featuring our old foes, Santos Laguna, that ousted us in the semifinals of the last Champions League campaign, and Aguila of El Salvador, who are the reigning Clausura champions of that country. So it's gonna be a tough sledding for Toronto FC for a little bit. The dates will be announced in the next couple of weeks, as well as the ticket sales, and when you can get your seats. Season seat holders will obviously have first chance of theirs. But we'll announce all of that in the next couple of weeks coming up, and hopefully in the next few days as Toronto FC returns to training, the coaches, the players, we'll get some reaction from them as to what they make of this draw that happened today.
Okay, so speaking of the players returning, our next home match is Canadian Forces Night. So we're asking you season seat holders to donate your tickets, if you would like, to some Canadian troops so that they can enjoy the match.
That's right, that's on June 23rd, it's on the Saturday. You can do it from your online account manager. Just go in there and select the date, and then you can click on donate to charity to do it.
Yes, and for more information, you guys can just visit our homepage. Just scroll down to more news. There's a nice little article. You can follow the steps. It's really, really easy.
Yeah, absolutely. And speaking of things that are really, really easy, Thomas Rongen and you've been hanging out for a little while.
It's a TR.
Yeah, that's an easy segment to do because Thomas Rongen just runs with it, doesn't he?
Oh, he just goes. It's amazing. So Tips of TR 5.0 this week, coming out on Thursday, and it's continuing the specialty camps.
Yeah,
so it's all about the TFC players.
Yeah, everything that you would learn at the academy, training programs that are available right now for kids. And we were actually up at the academy not too long ago.
Yes, we were with our hard hats once again.
Yeah, one more segment with hard hats. We actually did a
no more, we promise.
We did a full-on tour of the academy. It's about a couple of weeks away, the Kia training ground, from being complete.
Yeah.
If you want to check that video out, just go to Toronto FC TV, and you'll see us give you a tour of the facilities.
If you guys haven't seen it yet, it's incredible. It's really coming along. It's huge. So there's plenty of more videos coming up this week. And you can follow us on Twitter at Rachel Bonetta.
At Asif in Toronto.
And we'll see you guys soon.